Welcome to a new video for Messify, the WhatsApp marketing revolution. My name is Lars. I now will show you a new feature here. So before I start with the new feature for Messify with the chatbot module, yes, we also now have the dark mode and it's look really really pretty. So if you have any questions about Messify and WhatsApp marketing, so I will tell you, you can ask us anything on email. You can write us an email on service@messify.io. Yes, and today I would like to show you our new chatbot module, which gives you the ability to respond to keywords and reply your customers. Yes, really, really easy. You can go here to the chatbot, and I have also create two English chatbots for you. This German one here, and I now will show you how it works. It's really really simple. So we need a keyword which the customer is right on our WhatsApp account, and we can say, okay, if the keyword is exact like opening hours, answer gladly. Our opening hours are as follows, etc. pp. And also you can do here, for example, help. So I now will show you how it works in life. Now I write here, hey, I need help. Now we get the response. Hey, I think you need help. You can write me following options. Now I chose this one, for example, and get another option, another another response here from the bot. So this is currently not working, but if you try it now, it will work. In this video, it doesn't work. So you can also say, you can name him by the first name, for example. Here. Yes, this will work on the live version. In this video, it doesn't work, but it works. If you try it yet. Yes, this is the chatbot module. It's a really cool feature. So you can communicate with your customers. You have an automation that you can create anything with this bot. So you can also use it to respond to customers' questions. For example, it's really nice for e-commerce. And yes, be there with Messify. Join us on messify.io. Create a free account. You have a free trail here. Try it and have fun. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.